How to generate AI videos in 1 minute. First, go to invideo.io website. Link in description below. Click the Generate Video Now button. The prompt for the video can be created using ChatGPT. You generate a prompt based on what type of video you are making. Copy this prompt, and you paste it on the invideo.io website. Click the Generate Video button. Wait for some time. Now you can select and edit what you like from this. Click the Continue button. Wait for some time. Here is a nice video generated by AI for your prompt. I will have this video that I have generated in my description box. You can watch it. If you want, you can download it and share it on your social media so you can make money. Thanks for watching my video.